Hey, what's up, it's Tom and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out this cool light strip by JESLED. Now, this is a Wi-Fi light strip, so it's compatible with, well, Alexa and all of that. You've got multicolors, you've got timing technology, music sync using a built-in mic, which is pretty amazing. I love the idea. Now, this video could not have been made possible without the support of JESLED, who sent these in to test. Check out the offer code in the description of this video and just here for 10% off for limited time only. So without further ado, let's see what's inside the box. Yeah, so this is what the box looks like. I must admit, look of the box is very stylish. It's straight to point and it doesn't include, well, any useless text or information on it that you may not need. You've got some examples there of how you can use JESLED products. So, thanks for choosing JESLED. Let's have a look at what's inside the box. Nice and easy to open, just what I like. Or have I spoken too early? Nope, very easy. So, the first thing I'm seeing is what I imagine to be the remote. It is indeed the remote. The remote looks nice and simple. You got loads of color options here. You got some DIY functions there as well. You can select how they work. So that's your remote. Okay, so this particular variation is actually powered via the mains. So you have a nice 3-pin UK plug. I'm in the UK for those of you who are unaware. And it does actually say it's not suitable for damp locations. That's a plug socket here. You've got some pretty nice mounts there. They are very nice to see. So these are the LED lights here. Nicely packaged in a anti-static packet, which is once again very nice to see. You've got some leaflets here. So that's for disinfection use, for external use only. Very nice to see. You've got a bookmark there, which is actually, I really like this idea. The bookmark thing. Not barking, I'm reading. Well, that's good to know. You've got a ruler as well. Welcome to contact us for a gift. So if you are satisfied with your item, please submit a customer review on Amazon. Very nice to see. I shall definitely be using that for books. And you've got an instruction manual which features several languages. You got instructions on how to download the app. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So let's start by downloading the app. Installing the app was simple. You simply go into the Google Play Store if you're on Android, or the App Store if you're on iOS, and you search for Tuya. The app in question is the Tuya Smart app, which I've already installed. I'm going to open that. Now you will have to create an account. I've already created an account since I currently use Tuya. Now to add the device, you simply press plus. Yep, you have to confirm that you're on 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. And that you have your correct passwords and all that. So the next thing you go to is you then go to lighting and you select lighting Wi-Fi. I guess I'll select these then. So you have to connect to a network. So you have to make sure that the device is in pairing mode. So to put the device in pairing mode, you now have to reset the device to make sure that it's all configured to the Wi-Fi. So you have to make sure that the light is blinking rapidly. If it's blinking rapidly, skip this step. But if it isn't, power on the device, turn it off and on, off and on, off and on, and ensure it's blinking rapidly. So we press confirm and next. So it should find the device. Adding the device to Tuya was extremely easy. So I'm going to rename it now. And for the time being, I guess I'm just going to call it Desk Strip. Actually, no, gaming rig. Gaming setup. I don't know, what can I call it? Yeah, gaming rig. You press done. So, this is the interface. Okay, so let's have a play around with the lights. Hopefully you can see it. That's your brightness. There's a sort of color hue thing, I would imagine, yeah. You can select from a handful of different colors. Turn it off and turn it on. There's several modes, so you can select reading mode, working mode, leisure, gorgeous, dazzling. Let's look at dazzling. That's gorgeous, colorful, soft. Yeah, so the overall setup process was extremely easy. I even managed to link it with my Google Nest. So I've called the gaming rig for the time being. So, okay Google, turn off gaming rig. Okay Google, turn on gaming rig. And all of that, as you can see, works pretty well. I can change the brightness if I wanted to as well. And it works extremely well. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with this product. I mean, I've used several light strips in the past over the last few years, and with this one you can actually see the quality of it. Others that I've used in the past, I mean the previous one that I had prior to this one here setting up, can't remember what brand it was. It wasn't very expensive either, yes, but it was reasonable. Unfortunately, it has failed on me a few weeks ago. But nevertheless, that's a completely different product. So yeah, overall, that's it for this video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to check out the links in the description of this video to get your discount code. Just a word of advice, that discount code is only valid between the dates stated. So yeah, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more great content.